Hello everyone. In this lecture today, I'm going to talk to you about the differences between acid-fast bacteria and non-acid-fast bacteria. Acid-fast bacteria, as the name suggests, they consist of mycolic acid in their cell wall, whereas non-acid-fast bacteria, they do not consist of mycolic acid in their cell wall. Acid-fast bacteria, they resist decolorizing by acids after staining, whereas non-acid-fast bacteria, they are readily decolorized by acids after staining. The final color shown by acid-fast bacteria after acid-fast staining is pink or red, whereas the final color shown by non-acid-fast bacteria after acid-fast staining is blue color. The thick cell wall of acid-fast bacteria makes them more resistant to environmental stresses such as desiccation, disinfectants, whereas the less thicker cell wall of non-acid-fast bacteria makes them less resistant to environmental stresses. Acid-fast bacteria, they generally grow more slowly than non-acid-fast bacteria because their complex cell wall and other physiological differences. Okay, acid-fast bacteria, they generally grow more slowly because of their complex cell wall and other physiological differences, whereas non-acid-fast bacteria, they grow more faster compared to acid-fast bacteria.